serious, right? Right? This is the most scariest thing I've ever had to say to you. Listen, right? Terrorism, right? You got billions and billions of pounds being spent on security. You got the Homeland Security, you got the FBI, you got the FEMA, you got everything. Billions and billions of taxpayers' money. But did you realize last year, right, there's more people killed by bee stings? Bee stings, you know? Bzz, 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 bzz. That's so frightening, right? I'm going undercover forever, right? See you soon. I'm not coming out. It's so scary. It's so scary. So scary. Right. See you soon. Peace, love, laughter. I'm signing out. Read at ya. Bye.